According to the World Atlas, the United States of America holds the highest cat population in the world. Most of the households today have a pet whom they treat as family. But are these homes really cat-friendly? Cat trees play an essential role in every feline's life. Not only do they provide our lovely pets a place to hibernate and play, but it's also an opportunity for them to stimulate their natural instincts while honing in their hunting skills. There are such a wide variety of cat trees, so we've decided to make a list that will help you narrow down the best of the best based on efficiency, durability, design, and features. So join us as we introduce the 5 best cat trees on the market today. Shall we begin? Taking the top spot is one of the best-selling and highly raved Frisco 52-inch cat tree. This product is perfect for single to multi-cat households that want to give their lovely pet a great place to climb, jump, and sleep, because just like humans, cats need their own space where they can play and rest without being distracted. The Frisco cat tree is specially crafted to meet the unique needs of every feline. It's exquisitely designed with play areas, a watchtower, scratching post with ramp, and a kitty-size apartment that will keep your friend entertained from day to night. Safety is always a top priority, which is why this brand uses nothing but premium quality materials for the product. Aside from providing your pet with an engaging playtime, this cat furniture also provides well-constructed perches and platforms that serve as a lookout spot while they wait for their prey. It enables cats to use their climbing skills as they leap and climb up to the watchtower. A little trivia before we head to the features: cats climb not only to watch their territory, but also to show their rank against other felines. Pretty fascinating, right? Well, after a long day of playing, your pet can relax and take a rest inside the stylish, cozy, private apartment made from the finest faux fleece. This kitty-sized condo is the perfect place to doze as it's soft and comfortable to lie down. It gives cats privacy where they won't be interrupted from sleeping or resting. Now to one of the best parts for every cat: scratching. This tree has multiple scratch posts with a board ramp wrapped with natural sisal rope that's guaranteed to be durable. The best thing about this scratch-tastic post is they help the cats to stretch and exercise their muscles. It also lets the cats mark their territory, sharpen their claws at the same time, and protects from furniture getting scratched. The Frisco 52-inch cat tree is available in cream and brown colors. Its assembled measurements are 52 by 23 by 22.5 inches. The second product on our list is the Go Pet Club 72-inch cat tree, which is ideal for multiple cat households that have small to large breeds. If you want to give your cats a place to play where they can scratch without shredding your furniture, leap and jump without climbing your walls, or rest without laying on top of your face, then this product's perfect for you. A well-built vertical territory is what every feline needs for them to grow healthy and strong. The Go Pet Club cat tree is generously designed with multiple platforms and perches, 10 posts, 2 sets of stairs, and 2 dangling toys that are fun and safe to play. It also has overall dimensions of 72 by 26 by 50 inches and a weight of up to 70 pounds. The base measures 24 by 28, which is definitely sturdy and strong for a foundation. What makes this one of the most recommended cat furnitures in the market today is the sturdy, well-built structure that provides utmost safety so your cat can play and rest comfortably and securely. It also boasts a stylish construction made of compressed wood and covered with a faux fur and color beige. It's easy to assemble, so you won't have to worry too much about setting it up. We all know that most cats are territorial. A good watchtower allows them to guard their area without climbing on top of bookshelves or your refrigerator. This amazing product has a 2.5 by 13.5 by 13.5 perch that are perfectly ample enough for a lookout space. The posts are wrapped with durable sisal rope where they can freely scratch without damaging their nails. Apart from the features that nourish the natural instincts of the cats, it's also designed with 2 sets of cat condos, that measure 11.5 by 15 by 20 inches for the first condo and 10 by 12 by 15 inches on the second one. So whether you have more than one pet, this cat tree can make sure that each of them has a comfortable, secure spot to rest and sleep. For number 3 on our list, we have the sturdy and stylish Frisco 72-inch cat tree. This product is ideal for multi-cat pet owners who want to give their friends an all-in-one place to stay. It comes with 10 attractive scratching posts wrapped with durable sisal rope, 2 kitty condos covered with fine, soft faux fur material, 2 sets of stairs with a sisal scratch pad on the center, strong and firm perches and platforms, and multiple interactive hanging toys. This vertical territory is ideal for felines at all stages of life and at all sizes. Its assembled dimensions are 72 by 39 by 27 inches, more than enough for play and for a catnap area. From playful to less active pets, this cat tree is created to provide the unique needs of every feline. The enticing sisal scratch posts prevent your cats from scratching the walls and your furniture while allowing them to mark their territory without damaging their nails. The stairs have sisal scratch pad covering that serves as additional entertainment and protection. Frisco believes that cats are not just a pet, they're part of your family. The cat apartments allow you to give your cat a unique spot to hang out or sleep without any distraction. The apartment each offers different sizes. The first one measures 12 by 19.5 by 12.5 inches, while the second is 10 by 12.5 by 12.5 inches. It comes with multiple perches where they can safely leap and jump. Plus, you can let your kittens eat separately from adult felines by utilizing this area. The multi-level towers provide your pets for a good view of the house. Plus, it helps them keep entertained, of course, while they're waiting for their prey. Your cat can now play all day and all night with attractive toys that include dangling mice, a hanging fuzzy ball, and a rope. Also, this Frisco 72-inch cat tree is easy to assemble and easy to clean. We're now down to the last 2 products on our list. Did you know that according to Ecology Global Network, there are about 600 million cats around the world? With that number, the need for cat trees surely increases as it provides the best playing and resting spot for every feline. If you want to make your friend happy and healthy, we have an offer for you. Simply click on the link in the description box to know more. We'd also love to hear what you think about our videos, so don't forget to write your comments and suggestions in the box. Before we head to our next product, join our growing community and watch more reviews by clicking the subscribe button. You might also want to tap the bell icon to receive notifications from us. Now let's continue. Last on our list, but certainly not least, is the Midwest Feline Nuvo Playhouse 61.5-inch cat tree. Let your fur friend indulge in this cat tree that provides a variety of activities and a place where they can rest without any distractions. This well-built structure is designed to release and strengthen the innate skills of every feline. Its assembled measurements of 32 by 25 by 25 and 61.5 inches with a weight of 55 pounds. The tree is made with silky soft faux fur with a touch of designer fabric that perfectly fits any home. It's well supported with sturdy posts covered with sisal ropes that serves as a scratching spot so your cat can have something to mark their territory aside from your countertop and couch. What's cool about this product is its bolstered durable high perch where your cat can safely spot their territory while waiting for prey. It comes with flexible toy arms that dangle fuzzy balls and stimulate the hunting skills of your feline while relieving its stress and boredom. The resting branch allows your cat to rest and relax after playing around in the tree. The best thing about this cat tree is the 2-level Cubby retreat that provides your pet a private place to rest. Unlike common pet beds, this little Cubby apartment allows your friend to sleep without being distracted, which is necessary for them to grow healthy and sound. Another thing to love about this product is it's easy to assemble, easy to clean, and easy to maintain. You only need to spot clean any stained areas with a mild detergent and let it dry afterward. For fur, you can use a vacuum. The Midwest Feline Nuvo Playhouse 61.5-inch cat tree is secured with a 1-year limited warranty. And there you have it, the 5 best cat trees in the market. After seeing our list, is your home perfect in every way? These products are a top selling and most raved about on the market today. So if there's something that you love to have in your home, don't hesitate to click the bell icon and catch one of these deals at our best offer. We value your comments and suggestions, so remember to write them down in our comment box. To stay updated with our latest happenings, hit the bell icon and we'll keep you posted. If you want to watch more product reviews, hit the subscribe button by subscribing to our channel. You also get the choice to join our growing community, which is wonderful. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the ReviewTube channel.